The history of Rust. A modern language for a safer and faster future in the world of programming languages. Rust stands out as one of the most groundbreaking developments of the 21st century. Designed for performance, memory safety, and concurrency, Rust has rapidly evolved from a Mozilla research project to a global tool powering mission-critical systems. Origins. Mozilla's need for safe systems code Rust began in 2006 as a personal project by Graydon Hoare, a Mozilla engineer. Hoare was frustrated by how easily programs written in C and C++ could crash due to memory errors. He imagined a language that could match the speed of C++, but eliminate entire classes of bugs, especially null pointer dereferencing, data races, and buffer overflows. By 2009, Mozilla adopted Rust as an official research project, seeing potential in its promise to write safer system software, something vital for a modern web browser engine. Rust goes public in 2010. Rust was announced to the public. Its early versions were experimental and syntax-heavy, but the community quickly grew thanks to its vision and backing from Mozilla. The first stable release, Rust 1.0, was launched in May 2015. It marked a turning point. Rust was no longer an experiment. It was ready for real-world use. Core values of Rust. Rust introduced powerful concepts that made it stand apart. Ownership model ensures memory safety without garbage collection. Borrow checker tracks how data is accessed and mutated, eliminating data races. Zero-cost abstractions. High-level code compiles down to efficient machine code. Concurrency without fear encourages safe parallel programming. Practical use and Mozilla Servo. Mozilla's initial plan was to use Rust to build Servo, a new web rendering engine. Although Servo wasn't fully adopted in Firefox, parts of it made it into production. Firefox now includes Rust code in performance-critical and security-sensitive components, like Stylo, the CSS engine. Rust in the real world. Since 2015, adoption has skyrocketed. Companies like Amazon, Dropbox, Microsoft, Cloudflare, and Meta use Rust for WebAssembly, WASM, applications, embedded systems, operating systems, and kernels, game engines, cloud infrastructure, CLI tools, cryptographic libraries. Rust has also been the most loved language on Stack Overflow for 7 years in a row, a clear sign of its growing fanbase. Tooling and ecosystem. Rust ships with powerful tools. Cargo, the package manager and build system. Crates.io, Rust's package registry. Clippy, a linter for catching common mistakes. RustFont, automatic code formatter. And it plays well with modern workflows, DevOps pipelines, and cross-platform development. Learning curve vs. payoff. While Rust has a steep learning curve, especially with the ownership and borrowing system, developers report that the benefits in reliability, performance, and maintainability make it worthwhile. Rust doesn't just help you write code, it helps you write correct code. The future of Rust. Rust is no longer just a language, it's a movement. The Rust Foundation, established in 2021, ensures its independent governance. Microsoft, Google, Oz, and Huawei are among the companies backing Rust's development. Even the Linux kernel now includes Rust as a second official language alongside C, a major milestone in systems programming. Summary feature. Rust's approach memory management. No GC, Ownership model performance matches, or beats C/C++ safety prevents common memory bugs, concurrency safe multithreading built-in tooling cargo, crates.io, Clippy, Rust FMT industry support Mozilla, Microsoft, Oz, Google. Final thoughts: Rust is not just another language, it's a paradigm shift. It challenges how developers think about performance, safety, and software quality. Whether you're writing an operating system, compiling to WebAssembly, or building a cross-platform CLI tool, Rust offers a robust, future-ready foundation. With strong community support, major industry adoption, and a fearless approach to safe and performant code, Rust is not just the future, it's already here.